In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close polygon holes with a grid in Cinema 4D. If you've ever imported a model or edited geometry and ended up with an unwanted opening, this quick method will let you seal that hole with a clean, evenly spaced quad grid that's great for subdivision, deformation, and UV work. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can get reliable results every time. Start by making sure your object is editable and that you're working directly on the geometry. Switch to polygon mode. This is important because the tool we're about to use needs to understand the surrounding polygon flow to generate a proper fill. You'll know you're in the right place when you can select faces rather than edges or points. Next, select the Close Polygon Hole tool. You can find it in the modeling tools, and it's specifically designed to detect open boundaries and cap them. Before you click on anything, look over to the Attributes Manager for this tool. You'll see a Fill option. Change that Fill option to Grid. By default, some tools cap holes with a single n-gon, which can be fine for flat caps but isn't ideal for deformation or smoothing. Grid mode, on the other hand, builds a structured quad mesh that distributes tension more evenly and keeps shading nice and predictable. With grid selected in the attributes, zoom in to the hole you want to close and click directly on the edge of the opening. Cinema 4D will detect the boundary and generate a grid across the gap. If you don't see what you expect, make sure your cursor touches the rim of the hole, not the empty space inside, so the tool can read the boundary correctly. A quick tip here. If the grid looks twisted or too dense, check the grid-related parameters in the attributes before clicking, such as orientation or density, to guide the layout. You can undo and try again with slight adjustments for a cleaner result that matches your surrounding topology. For best deformation, aim for a grid that blends in with nearby edge spacing and direction, especially if the area will be subdivided or bent. If you have multiple holes, repeat the same click for each opening while staying in the tool. The settings you chose remain active, so you can work through several caps quickly without reconfiguring anything. That's it. By working in polygon mode, using the Close Polygon Hole tool, selecting Grid in the attributes, and clicking the edge of your opening, you'll produce clean, quad-based caps that shade well and hold up under animation and smoothing. Save your scene and you're ready to move on to refinement or UVs with confidence.